Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man.
And I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poor Man.
This week we're coming to you from a jungle also known as the Wahiawa Botanical Garden. Thank you all for joining us once again. What are we going to do today?
This week we're going to show you what we made. It's a beautiful, beautiful cross for our grandchild to be. We really enjoyed doing this project.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Wasn't sure how well it was going to turn out. We used a whole bunch of different exotic woods that we had, and it came out actually really nice. I liked it.
Really good.
Our daughter chose the scripture.
Yes, 1 Samuel 1:27, and if you get a chance, look it up.
Yeah, it was just the perfect choice to go along with this cross that we made. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we did that. But remember, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it.
And with that,
Cue music.
cue music.
To begin the project, we had to decide what wood we wanted to use. Based on the wood we chose, Mr. Poorman designed the project. And let the cutting begin.
Once all the pieces were cut, I planed them down to the same thickness. I then cut out some slots to make the center of the cross, which looks like this. I then set up the table saw at a 45-degree angle for cuts on the outer pieces.
And now for everybody's favorite time, sanding. And now for assembly.
While the first part of the project was drawing, we started working on the backboard. The board had some beautiful natural cracks. We decided to keep them by filling it with epoxy.
We added green to the epoxy. We found out that this color represents a new beginning. My favorite part is to add epoxy.
Once again, I cut out some slots to form the base. I used our Cricut to print out the scripture. However, I realized I did it incorrectly and had to redo it, but when I redid it, I used black instead.
It's time to epoxy again.
The final step was to add a keyhole in order to be able to hang it.
And there it is, a beautiful cross for our grandchild.
We had such a blast making this video, and we hope you really enjoyed it.
Yes, we had a good time. Next week, we're going to build a stand for our printers. We now have 2 or 3 printers, a laminator, we now have the Cricut, and they're all over the place, sitting on boxes and everything else, so we want to put it into a single stand. So we're going to go ahead and start working on that right after this video.
So until then,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.